Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 18 Ashworth Street in Cloverdale. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 2 living areas is perfectly placed between the Belmay Forum and the airport. Plus, it's only a stone's throw to the Belmay Primary School. So the kids, they'll be able to walk to school themselves. And if you need an oval to play on, it's only 100 metres away as well, where you can walk the dog or kick the footy. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 18 Ashworth Street in Cloverdale. As you can see, the home is neat as a pin. There's room out the backyard for entertaining, but if you need to kick the footy, just walk across the road to the local school park. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.